ILP to be extended to Manipur, says Manipur CM. AMSU volunteers stage anti-cap protest in Imphal. And Citizenship Amendment Bill tabled in Lok Sabha. Good afternoon, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren Singh today said that the centre has taken a stand to extend inner line permit ILP in the state of Manipur as a means of constitutional safeguard for the indigenous people of the state. Biren was inspecting the Landing solid waste management plant where the government is planning to set up a smaller unit of biomedical waste treatment plant to be taken up by a Mumbai-based company. On the way to the plant, Amit Shah told him through the phone that ILP would be reintroduced in Manipur to safeguard the indigenous people. Biren conveyed report. Amit Shah would make an announcement in the parliament in this regard today. He said the development comes amidst widespread protest against CAB in Manipur and other northeastern states. A jubilant Biren further told the reporters now that ILP would be reintroduced in Manipur. The people of Manipur should come out to the streets and celebrate it. The centre has already announced that Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Mizoram, where inner line permit regime is applicable, will be kept out of the purview of the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill.
Manipur Pumba, Manipur ki praja lak kaya sina, sahi kaya sumna laur ka lakpa, aikogi indigenous population kanjuna bagi, adugumba ILP or masiga manaba, और मधु की दमकता कोई मणिपुर पीपल्स बिल से हमने असेंबली द पास होगी बदुद की है न कन्बा है न फुल्ली प्रोटेक्टेड तौबा ऑलरेडी कोई की मिजोरम ट्राइबल स्टेट नागालैंड न सिंगबदा सन्नदन लेरबा आईएलपी मणिपुर द एक्सटेंड तौरगनी हाइदना लाउथोनी अदुना मणिपुर की प्रजा पुनमक अदुगा बीजेपी की कार्यकर्ता पुनमक लंबी द थोगा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी की Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji ki Manipur ki damakta aikoina mangdaba mangdaba potsak khara tawbirapki damakta madugi thagatpa madugi haraubodo lambi lamsang punamakta haraubo phongtokpinaba thagatpinaba ai mayamda appeal tawjari.
Students' Union today staged a protest rally in front of Kangla Western Gate in Imphal this morning. They held placards opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is going to be tabled in the Lok Sabha later today. Speaking to media, AMSU President Basanta Thokchom lambasted the central government's step to implement CAB in the northeastern states. Basanta said that such step is an attempt to wipe out the indigenous people of the northeast states. The AMSU leader further said the union has been raising dissenting voice against such policy, which is damaging to the indigenous people since 1980. He pledged that the union will continue to stand opposed to the contentious bill.
India da Manipur na pulli basimak aikogi piklaba furubasi manganjage haibagi da mapun khibenate haibasi central government khambi gadamani north east da Meghalaya Arunachal Pradesh hariba mafam sing asida famnai ba singna minister MLA singna citizenship amendment be strongly opposed to we sanaba yaroi haiduna wafam phaw phongtok palai adubo Manipur gidi ngaklok so amat leijadaba citizens akoi ILP su sanadaba adugumba lamdam asida citizenship amendment bill na kariguma wakalamatagi sokaloi haiba phawba hairiba simak kariguma citizenship amendment bill si pass to giba taragadi madugi responsibility khudimak laiba MLA sing minister sing amadi Manipur gi represent tawraga chaliba MP sing na daita lawgadabani haibasi Manipur miyam gi mosinjaraga emsuna media gi thongdu thamjare.
The 50-hour Manipur-wide anti-CAB protest by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked near total response, with people suspending all daily activities for the day to join the protest. In Bishnupur district, protesters blocked Tidim Road at Nambol Foijing Bazaar, burning tires. The contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to grant Indian citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan escaping religious persecution there, has been tabled in Lok Sabha today amid protests from northeastern states. The BJP has issued a 3-line whip to all its lawmakers to be present in Parliament from today till Wednesday. The bill was triggered widespread protest in northeastern states, with a large section of people and organizations opposing the bill, saying it will nullify the provisions of the Assam Accord of 1985, which fixed March 24, 1971 as the cutoff date for deportation of all illegal immigrants irrespective of religion, according to a report. Apart from this, Amit Shah is slated to move the Arms Amendment Bill 2019, and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will move the Anti-Maritime Piracy Bill 2019, among others, today. A short commercial break coming up next. Miss South Africa 2019, Zozibini Tanzi wins Miss Universe 2019. More after the break.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 AM to 2:30 PM. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects Science, Social Science and Mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lauzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple, natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Traditional Healing Center, Adungai Ipaipu Haktaktagi Chanaraklaba Maite Hidang Lying Jeri, Iramdamda Fangliba Manamasing Kaya Sizinaduna, side effect Laitana Lying Jeri, Hakchangi Mari Suba, Sarusayang Samba Amadi Singli Lonsinaba Kaktanatana, Haksang Fagatpangamdana Laiba Kaya, Fagalhan Mangambalaying, Ngasimaglangsing Biro, Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpad 795004, contact number 961-255-8587.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi seti anu yorokuni, ma'am. Imbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro je. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pichari.
Booking
Welcome back. Miss South Africa 2019 Zozibini Tanzi won Miss Universe 2019 held at Atlanta, Georgia last night. 26-year-old Tanzi won the 68th edition of the prestigious pageant after excelling through the swimsuit and evening gown round and impressed judges with her answers on questions regarding social issues and one final chance to explain why she was the right choice. 26-year-old Zozibini Tanzi is from Solo, South Africa. She is quite active in fight against gender-based violence. The 2019 Miss Universe pageant was held last night in Atlanta, the capital of the U.S. state of Georgia. The pageant brought 90 women together to see who will bring home the title. Contestants competed in swimsuit, evening gown and on-stage question rounds. According to the official page of the pageant, Tanzi is a passionate activist and engaged in the fight against gender-based violence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended birthday greetings to Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi and wished her a healthy life. Talking to Twitter, Modi said birthday wishes to Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji, praying for her long life and good health. Top Congress leaders also wished Gandhi, who turned 73 today, media reports said. The Congress and interim chief, however, has decided not to celebrate her birthday in the wake of rape incidents across the country and growing concerns over women's security, sources said. The longest-serving Congress President Sonia Gandhi's exemplary strength of character has inspired generations of Congress leaders. Her strength, dignity, compassion and grace has united us and made us strong. We wish her a very happy birthday, a tweet from the party's official Twitter handle said. Tripura came to a grinding halt on this morning as the 12-hour Bandh against the Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked total response. The Bandh has been called by Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura in the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council from 6 a.m. today. On the other hand, several indigenous tribal-based political parties formed a joint forum named as Joint Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, also called Bandh for indefinite time in Tripura as per a report. Meghalaya Governor Thangathaga Roy today said no state government can legally have a view of the Citizenship Amendment Bill and opposition to the bill is the height of absurdity. He also said the opposition to the Citizenship Amendment Bill is the height of absurdity. He further questioned whether anyone deny that Pakistan subjected its Hindu and other minorities to unbelievable persecution and forced them to flee to India. Tathagata Roy added that the worst sufferers are the people of East Bengal Hindus. Time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
India ki ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanamina bagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba gymni. Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churachampur parking. Mafam asida Zumba gym, cardio na chingbagi sanaba khudongchaba su phangbigani. Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung nipan phauba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsing birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churachampur parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge hardi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamugi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. A day after deciding to back the Citizenship Amendment Bill, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut on Monday has demanded an amendment to the current draft which is to be tabled in the Lok Sabha by Home Minister Amit Shah while speaking to Republic TV exclusively. Slamming vote bank politics, he said that the refugees who entered through the Citizenship Bill must not be given voting rights for 25 years. He said that by that stipulated time, the accusation of vote bank politics will die down. Slamming the BJP over the fate of the Kashmiri Pandits, Raut further asked as to why they were still living like refugees. He suggested that the refugees entering India through the bill should be settled in Srinagar. Moreover, when asked about defying Congress and NCP's stance on the bill, he said that Sena cannot follow anyone blindly. Now we have the sports news. Sri Lanka's cricket team arrived in Pakistan today for their two-match test series, with the Pakistani government giving the visiting team the status of state guests. After more than 10 years, Test cricket will return to Pakistan in December when Sri Lanka will play their World Test Championship matches in Rawalpindi and Karachi. Major teams have avoided Pakistan since that 2009 terror attack on the Sri Lankan team in Lahore, which killed 8 people and injured several players. The first test will be played at the Pindi Cricket Stadium from December 11 to 15, while the second test will be held at the National Stadium from December 19 to 23. Sri Lanka played 3 ODIs and 3 T20 matches in September and October in Pakistan this year, though 10 key players opted out of their trip citing security concerns. But the test squad that arrived today is full strength. Sri Lanka Cricket had announced that Soranga Lakmal would not feature in the series as he was down with dengue. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manpegriatariat sees work strike call. 43 killed in Delhi factory fire. Kejriwal orders probe. Assam not dustbin for aliens, says AASU. Delhi too joins anti-CAB protest. The People's Chronicle. CAB copies burned. Many backed Manpeg strike call. Ansam endorses NESO ban on December 10th. Chief Minister presents ₹1 lakh to humanoid robot maker. Manpeg cautions SFs against provoking protesters. Imphal Free Press. Northeast united against CAB. Public outcry against Citizenship Amendment Bill gets thriller. Centre attempting to divide Northeast. Total shutdown in Aizawl on Tuesday. Ansam endorses December 10 anti-CAB shutdown. Northeast not a dumping ground for illegal immigrants. NEFIS stages protest demo in Delhi University. Meghalaya civil bodies put records straight on CAB. Student bodies to join cease work protest. The Morning Bell.
Citizenship Amendment Bill to be tabled in Lok Sabha today for passage amidst protest. KSA, Desam, AMS endorse 50-hour manpack total shutdown. Chemically treated mosquito nets to fight malaria in state. MGSU helps Steve Vaichong fire victims, appeals for early compensation. Uran 4.0, bidding on 30 airports in Northeast in progress. Manipur Mail, Citizenship Amendment Bill to be introduced in Lok Sabha. Delhi fire, 43 dead. New JSC formed by organizations in Garo Hills on CAB.
Now the top news headlines once again. ILP to be extended to Manipur, says Manipur CM. AMSU volunteers stage anti-cab protest in Imphal. Citizenship Amendment Bill tabled in Lok Sabha. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.